Hello traders, welcome to again my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I will be share with you my one of the favorite RSI plus parabolic SAR trading strategy. This powerful strategy gives you 99% accuracy and amazing trading results. If you use this strategy properly like me, you can recover your all losses. So don't skip the video, watch until end. Today in this video I will take live $2,000 trades using this strategy with my live balance. We also worldwide binary signal provider on Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need to add two indicators on chart RSI and parabolic SAR. Now let's add RSI indicator. Let's open the RSI indicator. Now we need to set up. We change here period level is 10. And all are default. Now let's add second indicator parabolic SAR. Open parabolic SAR and set up. Now let's check how this strategy works. Here you can see on RSI cross upper line and upside. And parabolic SAR also going uptrend at same time. After this two indicator confirmation, we can place here a buy trade for next 1 minute. Now let's explain lower trades. Here you can see here RSI cross upper line and downside. And parabolic SAR also going downtrend at same time. After this two indicator confirmation, we can place here a sell trade for next 1 minute. Hope you understand. For better understand, watch my live trades. Now I will wait for good opportunity. I placed here a $2,000 live account trade. Let's wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning and profit also add on live account. Let's search another one. Here we find a sell signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Our second trade, also a winning trade. Let's search another opportunity.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Here we got again sell signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join free Telegram. See you on another video. Goodbye for today. Happy trading.